Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss chapter 2, that is fractions and decimals. Okay, this is the last chapter of your revision. Okay, rest chapter 1 and chapter 4 we have revised. Tomorrow you will be having test of chapter 1 and 2. Okay, so in this chapter, in fractions and in decimals, we have done all these operations. How we can add fraction, how we can separate, how we can divide the fractions. Similarly, how we can multiply also. Multiply. Okay. Similarly, in the decimals, how we can add, how we can separate, how we can multiply, how we can divide. All these things we have done in fractions and in decimals. Whenever we are applying these operations, these are known as simplification. I will not give you any question that add these fractions, subtract this decimal. No, I give you questions of simplification. Okay, I'll give you question of simplification. In simplification, you have to apply all these operations. Okay, simplification means, suppose I have given a question 2 by 5 plus 3 by 6 minus or divide 1 by 8. Okay, this is a simplification. In the case of decimals, 0.5 plus 1 by 3, 0.2 minus 1.7. This is called simplification, where you are having addition also, division also, subtraction also, multiplication also. Okay, and you know that how we can apply the operation. You have to apply always BODMAS rule. Okay, if the brackets are there, remove the brackets first of all, solve the brackets. Okay, solve the brackets and then go for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Right? So such kind of operations we can do in the simplification. Next we are having some questions based upon word problems. Okay, in word problem question also you have to add, subtract and divide and multiply. Just you have to see, you have to check it out, which operation you have to apply. Okay, in word problem questions only it is based upon your understanding, how you are understanding the statement and which operation you are going to apply. Right? Okay, now let's start with the question. I'm giving you some questions and then I'll ask you what are the answers, how you have solved. Everyone take out your practice notebooks with you. Everyone. Take out the practice notebooks. The questions which I'm writing here, you have to solve and then we'll discuss. Okay? Anirudh and Gurnoor Kaur, please adjust your camera. Okay. Simplify. Simplify this question. Okay. One upon 18 minus 2 upon 9 plus 5 upon 12. Quickly do this. Quickly. According to the BODMAS rule, I am writing here BODMAS. Okay. So you have to first of all add or subtract. What you have to do? You have to add two fractions or subtract two fractions first of all. Very good. Because addition comes first. Okay, so you have to add these two fractions, right? And then whatever the answer will be there, then go with this. Okay, but check it out. Which two fractions are positive? This is positive, this is positive. Okay, so you can add these two fractions and then subtract this fraction from the answer. Right? You can add these two fractions by taking the LCM and then you have to subtract this. Whenever you are solving the fraction questions, first of all check it out the BODMAS rule and then check it out the LCM. Whenever you are solving fractions. Okay, quickly do this. I'm going to unmute some students. I'll ask you how you have solved. Quickly. Yes, Sanchit, very good. One more thing I can tell you, whenever you are doing such kind of question, you can add these two fraction and you can subtract, or you can do all together also. You can do all together. You can take LCM of all together, and whatever the sign they are having, just put the sign. You can take the LCM all together also. Okay? Do it quickly. Gurnoor and Angel Goel. Yes, Jyotirmay, right. LCM is right. So LCM of 18, 9 and 12. 18, 9 and 12. LCM of these three numbers will be, always start with the smallest prime number. Okay, that is with the 2. 2 9s are 9s are 2 6s are. Again with 2, 9 and 9 as it is 2 3s are. Now with 3, 3 3s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Now with 3, 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. Okay, always start with the smallest prime number. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So 36 will be the LCM. 36 will be the LCM. Okay, now divide. 18 divided by 36, that is 2. 2 into 1, 2. I will not repeat the steps again because today we are having many questions. So understand carefully. 18 divided by 36, that is 2, and 2 into 1, 2. Minus sign as it is. 9 divided by 36, that is 4. 9 4 is 36. 4 into 2, that is 8. Plus 12 divided by 36, that is 4. Okay, so 3. Okay, and 3 5s are 15. Okay, now solve this. 2 and 15 and 2, that is 17. 17 minus 8. 17 minus 8, how much? Yes, very good, 9. Okay, 9 divided by 36. Okay, and you can cancel on 4 table, 9 table, 9 1s are and 9 4s are. Okay, so answer will be 1 upon 4. That is your answer. Angel Goel, remove your hand from the camera. Understood this question? Okay, in this question you just have to, whenever the question will be addition or subtraction or fraction, you have to take LCM. You can take LCM all together also. Okay, whenever question will be multiplication or division, then you have to cancel. No need of LCM. Okay, LCM is required in case of addition and subtraction. In case of addition and subtraction of the fractions. Okay, and now I am giving you other question of multiplication and division. If I give you this question in the papers, just see here. 2 3 by 9 plus 1 2 by 3 minus 3 2 by 6. Can you solve this question also? No? First of all, open the mixed fraction. Open all the mixed fraction. Make it into the fraction. Suppose this will be 7 by 9. This will be 9 by 3. This will be 3 by 6. Suppose. Okay. Then the next step will be same. Next step will be same. Take the LCM all together and solve it. Okay. Whenever the question will be given you in the mixed fraction, open the fraction and then next steps will be same. The way we have done. Okay. Right. Okay. Now I am giving you simplification of multiplication and division. Okay. Now do this. 8 divided by 9 divided by 24 upon 5 bracket and outside multiply by 2 by 3. Quickly do this question. In multiplication and division, no need of LCM. No need of LCM. Please try to keep this thing in the mind. Okay, LCM is required in case of addition and subtraction. Okay, so in this question, first of all, open the bracket, solve the bracket, solve the bracket quickly, and raise your hands those who have solved this question. quickly. Gatik, are you solving? Nirja, are you solving? Ayan Khokar. Nirja, your video is paused. Quickly do this question. Adarsh Lathar. Sit properly. Solve the question. Kunal Singh. Aditya 7th. Awesome. Keshav Singla. Royce, have you solved? Jugaad, have you solved? Do it quickly, quickly do it. I'm giving you a minute to everyone. Tanish and Siddharth Lathar, have you solved? Do it quickly, it is very easy. Raghav. Solve the question, Raghav, quickly. Next turn will be yours. Tanisha, stop eating. Today is the last day of revision. Okay, now look here. Sanchit, very good. Sanchit, please come on the mic.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sanchit, what will solving this question first of all?
Ma'am, you have to open the letter and to reciprocal 24/5.
Very good. We have to open the bracket. First of all, we have to remove the division sign. Everyone look here. We have to remove the division sign. It will be multiply. And Sanchit, next term will be?
5/24.
Yes. Whenever we are keeping multiply sign, next term will be reciprocal. Immediately reciprocal. Okay. Now, outside 2/3 is there. First of all, solve this. Okay. You can cancel. On which table we can cancel, Sanchit?
Ma'am, 8/24.
8 ones are, 8 threes are. Okay. Anything else?
Nothing else, ma'am.
No, now we can't cancel anything. 9 with 5, no. 3 with 2, no. 5 with 3, no. So what is left in the numerator?
Ma'am, 10/.
Yes, 5 twos are 10 and 9 threes are
27.
27 threes are
81.
81. And this is your answer. Very good, Sanchit. Please mute yourself. Yes, everyone. In this question, whenever you are having division sign, you have to open the bracket. Okay, remove division. In the place of division, you have to keep multiply. Whenever you are keeping multiply sign, the next term will be reciprocal. Okay, now write down the last term as it is. Now everyone is having the multiply sign in between. Now cancel the term. Here and here, here and here, here and here. If you can cancel it. Rest you have to multiply numerator with the numerator, denominators with the denominators. Okay? I'm giving you one more question like this. Quickly solve it. I'm giving you one more question, then your doubts will be clear. Note down the next question, everyone. Multiply 3/4 divided by 4/5. Now bracket is not there. But according to the board mass rule, you will do division or multiplication first of all. What you will do? We'll do division. Okay, so first of all, you have to solve these two fractions and then whatever the answer will be there, then multiply with this fraction. Now do this quickly. Do it quickly. Apply the BODMAS rule. First of all, solve the division fractions. Okay? Quickly. Only 30 seconds I'm giving you. We are having lot many questions of this chapter today. Sanchit, right? Sanchit, that also you can cancel. Ananya, right? Ishan, right? Anshika, yes. Gurveer, check your calculation once again. Yanya, check your calculation. Hazel, no. 2 by 3 and multiply will be as it is. I have to solve these two fractions first of all. So 3 by 4 will come as it is. In place of divide, I have to put multiply. In place of divide, I have to put multiply. And the next term will be immediately reciprocal. 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4. Right. Now you can see. Now you can cancel. Okay. From here to here, here to here, here to here, anything from here cancel. Okay. So 3 ones are 3 will get cancelled. Okay. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 will get cancelled. Okay. Now 1 5s are 5 and 2 4s are 8. This is the answer. Most of you have given the correct answer. Very good. What you are doing, Kunal Singh? It's not allowed in the class. Any doubt in this question now, Anshika? Ishita? It's clear? Okay, now in this way you have to solve the questions of multiplication, division, and in previous we have solved the questions that addition, subtraction. Okay, so in that questions for addition, subtraction you have to take LCM. Okay, and in division and multiplication, okay, you have to change the sign of division and then do the cross multiplication. Okay. Alright, now I am giving you next questions of decimals. Simplification of decimals. Simplification of decimals. If after this class again you will be left with any doubt, you can call me after the class. Okay, if still any doubt will be left. Dikshant Rana, you can leave the class. 7th Florence Dikshant, you can leave the class. Kunal Singh, leave the class. The way you are sitting in the class, it's absolutely wrong. Meenakshi ma'am, remove the student from the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Now, simplification of decimals. Do first question of zero point 0.09, 0.06 and 5. Okay, add this question quickly. Add this decimal question quickly. Quickly, how we can add the decimals? It is very easy. Prasan, yes, very good. Absolutely correct, Prasan. Ananya, no. Hazel, right. Let me tell you whose answers are correct. Anshika, Abhijot, right. Tanisha, Angel Lathar, Jyotirmay, Gurveer Kaur, Hazel, Prasan. Your answers are correct. Very good. Royce, check where you have kept decimal. Sanchit right, Ekampreet wrong, Yanya wrong, Nidhavi wrong, Aditya yes, Neerja, Garv, Jayavardhan wrong. Very easy. Now see, 0.09, okay, 0.06, okay. Wherever they are having decimals, add it down. I have to write same as it is. This is 5. 5 means it is 5.00. I told earlier that you have to take all the decimals as a like decimals. Okay, after decimal number of digits should be same. If they are not having any digits, you can put that number of zeros. Okay, now it will be 5.00. Add 6 and 9, 15. Decimal 5 will be as it is. This is your answer. That's it. It is very easy. Okay, 5.15. Now, solve the next question quickly. Next is 5.34 plus 18.03 minus 0.82. Quickly solve this question. Quickly solve this question. Ma'am, lot many sitting with their videos off. Kindly remove all the students from the class.
Ma'am, Tanisha is talking with somebody in phone only.
Yeah, remove. I told. Your posture should be correct. You have to sit properly in the class. No discussion, no talking. Some are eating in the class. It's not allowed. Some are lying on the bed. Absolutely wrong. Again and again, we can't give you warnings. You know that these teachers are observing you. Quickly solve this question. First of all, add these two decimals and then subtract from this decimal. Quickly. Yes, quickly. Kunal Singh, show me your notebook quickly in front of camera. In front of camera, show me your notebook where you have solved.
Ma'am, just check one time. Say to them, Karen and Kunal Singh, show their notebooks to you.
Yeah, Kunal Singh, I have told so many times, show me the notebook, sit properly. He is not listening. Remove the student. If they can't listen the instructions of a teacher, they are not allowed to sit in the class. And Karen, earlier also I have told you, sit properly in the class. Harshit Lathar. Adjust your camera, Harshit Lathar. Now, you have to add these two decimals. 5.34 and 18.03. Add. Okay, 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 0, 3. 8 plus, this is 8 plus 5, that is 13. Okay, 1 will go there and 1, this is 2. Okay, 23.37. Now from 23.37, you have to subtract 0.82. Alright. Please, whenever you are solving these questions, you have to check it out. At the down of decimal, only decimal will come. Okay. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 13 minus 8, that is 5. 2 is left here only now. 2 minus 0, 2 and 2 is left. So answer will be 22.55. Yes, Ananya, very good. Absolutely correct. Ekampreet right. Yes. Jayavardhan, yes. Your answer is correct. Angel, Siddharth, Hazel, Hazel, your one mistake was there in the answer. Adarsh Lathar, Aditya, why these silly mistakes were there in your answers? It is very easy to solve these two fractions and subtract. Addition, subtraction, you know very well. Okay. Now I am giving you question of multiplication and division of the decimal. Right? The next question is first question is 8.9 multiply with 2.5. Okay, and second question is of division I am giving you 62.6 dividing by 8. Please do this question quickly. First question is of multiplication of decimal, second is of division of decimal. Quickly solve it. Sanchit, yes. Keshri, switch on the video. Parth, Shaurya Sehgal, Sanjot Virk, Saina, Tanisha. Switch on the video quickly. Ishan, Disha.
Kamal ma'am, just one time ask Kavya, show your notebook, Kavya. You're writing. Kavya. Those are not doing it, ma'am. I'm writing their names.
Yeah, no worries.
Be careful.
Yeah, I can also observe these students, those who are giving response, those who are solving. In front of camera, everything is visible. Don't worry, because in the paper, I told you that I'll change every statement. Okay, you can't do cheating from anywhere. If you are sitting attentively in the class, then you will be able to understand the concept. Kunal Singh, right. Okay, now in this first question, okay, whenever you have to multiply two decimals, first of all forget the decimal. Just multiply 89 and 25. Multiply 89 and 25. What will be the answer? When you multiply 89 with 25, what will be the answer? Yes, 225. Very good, Sanchit. Your answer will be 225. Okay. Now you have to place decimal. Now, okay. 2225. Now, decimal is after one number and after one number. Okay. So, how many digits are there? Total 2 digits. So, you have to place decimal before 2 digits. This is your answer. That's it. First of all, do the multiplication simply and then place the decimal. Okay. Count 1 digit from here and 1 from here. 1 and 1 are 2. So before 2 digits you have to place decimal. Now, next question. Next is this, division. Do this quickly. I'm giving you a minute. Quickly do this. Sanchit, start your video. Daksh, start your video. Shaurya, Saina, Yashita. Yes.
Saina is using PC.
Okay, ma'am. Now you have to write in this way 62.6. Okay, dividing by 8. Dividing by 8 means I am going to remove division sign and writing here multiply. 8 will be 1 by 8. 8 will be 1 by 8. Okay. Now remove the decimal. Decimal I am going to remove and I'll put here 10. Add it down. Okay. Because decimal was there before 1 digit. So I am writing here 10 in the denominator. Now you can cancel. Okay, 8 on 8 table can be cancelled. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, now on which table we can cancel this? Can we cancel any table? Yes. What will be the answer? Yes, everyone. What will be the answer? Yes, Sanchit. Yes, Tanisha. Yes. Okay, now multiply. Now you have to multiply 313 with 1 and 4 tens of 40. Okay, when you will go for division, your answer will be. You can leave your answer up to here also. That is also right. Or you can write your answer in decimal. That is also right. Okay. Both answers will be correct. Right? Okay, now I am giving you next question, that is word problem. That is last 5 minutes are left. Sanchit, very good. Now I am giving you question of word problems. The area of rectangle is 25 upon 7 meter square. If the length is 6 by 3 meter, find its breadth. Find its breadth. Very easy. Do this quickly. Solve the question quickly. Yes, quickly do this question. The area of rectangle is given, that is 25 by 7 meter square. Okay, if the length is 6 by 3 meter, okay, then find the breadth. Find its breadth quickly. Yes, do this question. I am going to ask some students in the grade. Okay, raise your hands, those who have solved. Raise your hands, those who have solved. Aditya, 7th, awesome. Have you solved? Aditya, have you solved this question? Okay. Yanya, have you solved the question?
Yes, ma'am, I'm solving it.
Okay, please tell me what are the initial steps?
Ma'am, first we will write area of rectangle length into breadth.
Area of rectangle. First of all, what is given to you? Write in this way, 25 by 7 meter square. Because this is word problem question. Okay. Then what is given to you? Length is given, that is 6 by 3 meter. Okay. And breadth you have to find out.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you can suppose here, let the breadth will be x. Okay. Now according to question, now the way you were saying, now you have to write in that way. Now what you were saying?
Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth.
Area of rectangle is equals to length multiplied by breadth. Yes. Area of rectangle is given, that is 25 by 7. Okay, is equals to length is given 6 by 3 multiplied by x. Okay. In this way you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if x will be here, now what is the next step? What is the next step, Yanya?
Ma'am, we have to divide 20 upon 25 by 7 and then 6, 2 by 3 and then we have
Very
to
good. Very good. Very good. Okay. You first of all, when you are shifting here, put sign. Okay, and the fraction will be as it is. In the next step, now in the last step, then you have to remove the division sign and place multiplication sign. Okay, just wait. First of all, open this fraction. 27s are 140. 140 plus 5, that is 145 upon 7. Okay, I am going to remove division. I will put multiply sign here. 3 6 are 18. 18 plus 2, 20 upon 3. But what will I write here?
3 upon 20.
3 upon 20. Very good. Is equals to x. Okay, now cancel anything we can cancel?
Yes, ma'am.
On 5 table.
145 and 20.
Yes, 5 4s are 5 2s are 10, 5 9s are. Anything else? No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now multiply 29 with 3 quickly.
Ma'am, 87.
Yes, this will be your answer. This will be your answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Yanya, mute yourself. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, everyone, in this way we can solve the question. Right, area of rectangle, what was given? Right, as it is. Length is given as it is. Breadth is not given, so suppose breadth as x. Okay, now put the formula of area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. Okay, now put the values. Okay, this will be in multiplication. When this will go that side, it will go in division. Okay, in the next step, open the mixed fraction and remove division sign. It is 20 upon 3. Now after removing the division sign, it will become 3 upon 20. Okay, now cancel the terms and answer will be there. 87 upon 28, or you can write this is the breadth, so it will come in meter. Okay, so solve the questions carefully. By tomorrow, come prepared for the test. Okay, and do practice at home very carefully, very properly. Bye bye and take care all of you.